This is the Tapo C202 home security Wi-Fi camera. Let's see how to set up the Tapo C202 Wi-Fi camera with an Ethernet cable. This is a 9.0 volt adapter. Now plug the adapter into the camera and the camera will turn on. Now go to your phone. Open the Play Store and install the TP Link Tapo app. If you don't have a TP Link account, create one. I already have an account, so I'm logging in with that. Now tap the plus sign. Tap Add Device. Tap Indoor Cameras. From here, find your camera device and select it. From here, select Ethernet. Tap Next. Take your main Wi-Fi router. Now connect an Ethernet cable between your main router and the camera. After connecting the Ethernet cable, go back to your phone. Tap Already Solid Amber. Turn on location. Now the Tapo camera is connecting to Wi-Fi. The Tapo camera is now connected to Wi-Fi. Tap Done for now. The Tapo C202 Wi-Fi camera has now been successfully set up by Ethernet cable. Now you can control the camera from your phone.